Are you looking for the best adjustable laptop stand? In this video we will look at some of the best adjustable laptop stand on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. MC515 Laptop Stand. The MC515 Laptop Stand is a sleek and practical accessory designed to elevate your computing experience. Crafted from durable and lightweight aluminum alloy, this foldable stand offers portability without compromising on sturdiness. It's compatible with a range of laptops, accommodating sizes from 10 to 17 inches, including MacBook Air and Pro models. The foldable design makes it easy to carry on the go, perfect for professionals or students who are always on the move. The stand provides a comfortable and ergonomic viewing angle, reducing strain on your neck and wrists during extended laptop use. Whether you're working at a desk, in a coffee shop, or from the comfort of your own couch, the MC515 Laptop Stand ensures that you can work or play in style and comfort. Number 2. Metal Holder Aluminum Laptop Stand. The Metal Holder Aluminum Laptop Stand seems to be a versatile and popular choice for laptop users. With its foldable and height-adjustable design, it offers convenience and portability. The sturdy metal construction, specifically aluminum, suggests durability and a sleek aesthetic. Given its mention as a best-selling item, it likely addresses the needs of users seeking a reliable and adaptable solution for their desks, particularly for MacBook users. The stand appears to strike a balance between functionality and style, making it a sought-after accessory for those in search of a dependable laptop stand. Number 3. Selling Laptop Vertical Stand. The Selling Laptop Vertical Stand seems like a sleek and practical solution for those looking to enhance their workspace. Its collapsible and height-adjustable features make it versatile, catering to different preferences and desk setups. Crafted from aluminum, it not only provides a sturdy platform for your laptop but also adds a touch of modernity to your workspace. The ergonomic design suggests a focus on user comfort, allowing for a more comfortable and efficient workflow. Plus, the portability factor adds convenience for those on the go. Overall, it appears to be a well-designed and adaptable accessory for anyone seeking an organized and ergonomic laptop setup. Number 4. MCHOSE LS928 Laptop Stand. The MCHOSE LS928 Laptop Stand is a versatile and adjustable accessory designed to enhance your workspace. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this stand offers a sturdy and reliable support system for your laptop. Its adjustable design allows you to find the perfect angle for your device, promoting a comfortable and ergonomic working environment. The stand is not just limited to laptops, it also features an iPad mock holder, adding to its versatility and making it an excellent choice for office use. With its rotating bracket, you can easily switch between landscape and portrait modes, catering to your specific needs. Whether you're working, browsing, or attending virtual meetings, the MCHOSE LS928 Laptop Stand is a practical and stylish solution for optimizing your desk setup. Number 5. N86 Laptop Stand. The N86 Laptop Stand is a versatile and portable accessory designed to enhance your laptop usage experience. With a 360 degrees rotating feature, this stand provides flexibility in adjusting your laptop to the perfect viewing angle. Its folding aluminum design makes it highly portable, allowing you to carry it with ease wherever you go. One standout feature is its compatibility with MacBook Air and Pro, ensuring that users of these popular laptops can enjoy the benefits of the N86 stand. The stand also prioritizes heat dissipation, contributing to the overall well-being of your laptop by promoting efficient cooling during prolonged use.